Hello friends, do you know there is a new data type in Excel which is called stocks? If you do not know how to use this stocks data type, I'll show you in this video today. For demonstration purpose, I have downloaded Nifty 50 data from Nifty India. Let me get the data here. So I've got the name of the stocks. When I paste the stocks here, select all the stocks and change the data type of these stocks to stocks. And what you see is that it has converted this particular data into a stock type data. So now Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, it is showing the symbol of Mahindra and Mahindra on NSE. Now, how do I get the current price of this particular share? So I write a formula, I select the Mahindra and Mahindra share, I place a dot, and it shows me the list of attributes related to this particular variable. And since I need price, I say price. This gives me the last closed price or the current price. Similarly, I can also get the previous close. Say I can get the previous close. Open. So what was the open price on the latest day when the stock market was running? And I go here and I can get open price as well. And similarly, you can get 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low. I would strongly suggest and recommend you use all the parameters which are given here and try to get information related to these parameters. How can you use this information which I'm showing you today? You can create a very powerful portfolio tracker within Excel using these, and the refresh frequency, Microsoft automatically refreshes the stock prices and every information related to the stock every 5 minutes. And hence, when you create your own portfolio tracker in Excel, it becomes really handy and you have complete control over this particular portfolio tracker. How do you do that? I'll show it to you in the next video, but I'll give you a quick glimpse into how can you create a beautiful portfolio tracker in Excel. Now you can change the month and you can see how much you have invested, how much you have sold it for, and what kind of profit or loss you have received or got it within a particular month. You can also see which industry you have invested in and which industry has given you what kind of profit or loss. And down below, you can also see which share you have invested in and what kind of profit or loss you have acquired for that particular share. Now I'm talking about only the profit and loss for the realized profit and loss. For unrealized, you can select no, and you can see that what kind of unrealized profit or loss you have in your current portfolio. How to come up with this, how to create your portfolio, I will show you in the next video. Thank you. If you're wondering how to download Nifty 50 data from Nifty India, NSE India website, open NSE India website, go down below, you would see view all, click on view all and select Nifty 50. Let me select Nifty 50 again and download the list. Download as CSV, open CSV. You would get the list of all 50 stocks which are running on Nifty 50.